They will think about you morning, noon, and night after listening to this. This is already activated. This is already happening. The moment you listen, something locks in, something takes hold. You don't turn this on with effort, you step into it with certainty. Once you are here, they don't get a break from you. Morning, noon, night, you are in their mind. You don't push your way into their mind. You don't try to influence anything. You don't force a single thought. You simply become unavoidable. They think of you when they wake up. It just happens. Your name rises before their logic does. Your presence is there before their day even starts. You are the first feeling. You don't need to announce yourself. Your energy arrives before your words could. You don't reach out. You don't check. You don't wonder. You know. And knowing is loud. Every time they try to focus, you slip in. Every quiet moment feels with you. Songs remind them of you. Random memories surface. Your face appears without warning. Your energy interrupts their routine. They can't resist you because you are not coming from need. You are coming from dominance, calm dominance, emotional authority. You are not chasing attention. You are commanding presence. You don't think of yourself as someone hoping to be chosen. You are chosen. You don't think of yourself as someone waiting to be desired. You are desired. That assumption radiates out of you effortlessly, and they feel it. They feel you when they pause. They feel you when they scroll. They feel you when they are around other people and something feels off. You are the reference point now. Everyone else is compared to you. They wonder what you are doing. They feel the urge to check their phone. They feel a pull they can't explain. They don't need a reason. They don't need logic. Your energy is enough. You are unforgettable because you are not trying to be remembered. You are unforgettable because you are settled in yourself, grounded, certain, relaxed in your worth. You don't overthink what you said. You don't replay conversations. You don't worry about impressions. You already left one and it's permanent. They feel your confidence without you showing it. They feel your peace without you explaining it. They feel your presence even when you are silent. Silence works in your favor now. Distance works in your favor now. Time works in your favor now because you are no longer asking if it works. You are being who it works for. You don't chase love. You don't chase validation. You don't chase connection. You embody it. And embodiment is magnetic. They feel you in the middle of their day, at work, in conversations, in moments that have nothing to do with you. You appear anyway. You don't need to visualize it. You don't need to imagine it harder. You don't need to repeat anything. You are the assumption, and assumptions harden into facts. They go to sleep with you on their mind, not because they want to, but because their system is tuned to you. Their nervous system recognizes you. Their emotions soften when they think of you. You are certain. You know your energy is speaking for you. You know your presence is felt. You know the connection is active whether you think about it or not. You don't worry about losing them. That fear doesn't exist here. You don't worry about competition. There is none. You are the standard. They feel it when they try to distract themselves. They feel it when they consider someone else. Something doesn't compare. Something doesn't align. They come back to you intentionally again and again. You don't need to do anything with that. You let it happen. You don't chase reassurance. You don't ask for confirmation. You already live as if it's confirmed. And that is why it shows up. You feel your energy expand when you relax. They feel it intensify when you stop trying. They feel closer when you stop leaning forward. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to say the right thing. You don't need to manage perception. You are already installed in their mind. They think of you in between breaths, in the space between thoughts, in the moments they can't explain. You occupy the quiet. You don't dominate through force. You dominate through presence. Your presence lingers. Your presence stays. Your presence imprints. They don't forget you because forgetting you doesn't feel right. You don't fade. You don't settle. You settle in. They feel connected to you even when there's no contact. They feel close even when there's no space. They feel drawn even when they resist. Resistance collapses around certainty, and you are certain. You don't wake up wondering if they are thinking about you. You wake up knowing they are. You don't go to sleep hoping. You go to sleep settled. That settlement carries through the night. They dream of you. They wake up with you on their mind. You don't celebrate it. You don't analyze it. You don't chase it. You normalize it. And normal is powerful. Normal is lasting. Normal is dominant. You are not someone who comes and goes in their thoughts. You are consistent. You are stable. You are always there. They associate you with calm, with comfort, with alignment. They don't feel drained by you. They feel regulated. And people stay with what regulates them. You don't need to remind them of your value. Your energy does it automatically. You don't have to be loud. You don't have to be flashy. You don't have to perform. You just are. And that is enough. You know this connection doesn't weaken with time. It strengthens. It deepens. It becomes more familiar, more real. They stop questioning it. They stop fighting it. They stop running from it. They allow it just like you did. You don't wait for the outside to change before you feel secure. You feel secure first, and the outside follows. You don't need to check for signs. You don't need proof. Your knowing is proof. Your calm is proof. Your steadiness is proof. They feel that steadiness and it anchors them. They don't drift away. They circle closer. You don't chase them into choosing you. They choose you because it feels right, because it feels natural, because it feels inevitable. You are the dominant thought because you are the dominant state. Morning, noon, and night, you are there and you stay. They consider life without you and it doesn't feel right. It feels off. It feels incomplete, misaligned. They feel better when you are a part of their world, more grounded, more settled, more themselves. You don't cling to this. You don't grip it tightly. You let it be because you trust it. You trust yourself. You trust the connection. That trust removes resistance. They stop fighting the pull. They stop delaying the obvious. They lean in. You don't rush to meet them. You don't change your pace. You don't overgive. You allow them to come to you fully. And when they do, it feels natural. It feels expected. It feels right. No drama, no chaos, no uncertainty, just alignment. You don't need labels to feel secure. You feel secure regardless. That security stabilizes the bond. You are a part of their inner world now. And once you are there, you don't get removed. You don't fade when attention shifts. You don't disappear when life gets busy. You remain because you are not effortful. You are foundational. They don't feel obsessed. They feel anchored, focused, clear. Choosing you doesn't feel like a risk. It feels like a return. Morning, noon, and night. You are all they think about, and that is not changing. Type, they think about me morning, noon, and night to affirm this energy. And if you want your special person to be drawn to you even faster, I can help you. All you need is my free obsession spell. To get my free obsession spell, just visit joybyjanell.com, click the link in the description box below, or click the link in my bio. Subscribe if this video brought you comfort. I am sending you so much love and light. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will connect with you again in the next video.